Yes, we do.
Cutting-edge technology.
There we go.
Designed to probe the ocean's atmosphere.
Never didn't want to go. So here we are. The gift shop that we're going to shopping later for something. There's t-shirts there.
Good, how are you doing? Good stick? So I'll help you right there? Hello.
Hello.
Your portal will be used to locate that has everything.
Did you want to use any of them?
Sure.
Alright guys, look into the lens, big smiles. Yes.
Oh wow. Look at that. What's with this?
It's one of the earliest and most fascinating civilizations on Earth. Revered for its magnificent beauty and culture. Located in the northeast corner of Africa, Egypt is divided by the Nile River. It's home to the world's highest concentration of temples, tombs, and palaces, which are found primarily along the river in the southern part of the country, in what is known as Upper Egypt. Our journey begins on the Nile's west bank, near Luxor, in the Valley of the Kings, the famous burial ground of ancient pharaohs, queens, high priests, and nobles. The valley's elaborate tombs were filled with riches. Along with mummified bodies, they held valuables such as jewels, sacred objects, furniture, food, drink, even pets, something royals believed were needed in the afterlife. Even though the crypts are thought to be protected by mysterious spirits, treasure hunters and archaeologists were often drawn to the Valley of the Kings in search of these exquisite artifacts. Now, we'll embark on an expedition of our own as we follow in the footsteps of Egyptologist Howard Carter, who struck gold with the most amazing find of all time, the tomb of Tutankhamen, or as we are more familiar, King Tut. Few archaeological finds have sparked as much celebration and scrutiny as the tomb of Tutankhamen. Since its discovery by Carter and his team 100 years ago, it's captured the public's imagination, attracting worldwide interest and controversy that continues to grow along with the legend of the famous boy king. We'll travel to Egypt and go inside a magnificent reproduction of Tut's tomb. You will see artifacts crafted by Egyptian artisans in the exact tradition of those used in Tut's actual burial chamber. This one-of-a-kind experience will shine a light on the significance of gold in ancient Egypt, uncover the techniques to mummification, and crack the secret codes hidden within the hieroglyphs. Join us and take part in Carter's expedition in discovering King Tut's tomb.
Oh my god. That is how the pipe opens.
Regarding cinema, I will propose a regular program. 1. Approach to valley. 2. Excavations which we can get up to. 3. Views of the cemetery. 4. Cinema of various chambers. 5. Visual opening. 6. Cinema of certain objects. 7. Unveiling mummy. I expect they will have to bring out their motives and of course lights.
This is still going.
There is, I imagine, a good deal of money in this. Possibly 10 to 20,000. The interest created in this discovery is perfectly extraordinary. It seems to have taken the public fancy. All sorts of visitors are coming out. All good wishes to everybody. Arriving at the end of the month. And good luck. Lord Carnarvon.
The decisive moment
Look at you.
had arrived. With
That's where the sarcophagus was.
A tiny
Look at this. I mean, look. The statues that we had in the first room.
As my eyes grew accustomed to the light, details of the room within emerged slowly from the mist. It was all I could do to get out the words. Yes, wonderful thing.
Found some treasure.
See, this is the chamber, dude.
This is the chamber.
See, there was more. Look, you had.
Oh my god. That's our king. I take it Howard Carter was one of the.
Yeah.
Wingspan, bro.
33 centuries have passed since human feet last trod. Look at them doing it. That's Howard Carter. This is getting into the tomb.
Wow.
Look at all these. Look
Missing the horn.
at all these artifacts, dude.
That's because of the Twitter memory.
Mm-hmm. I mean, this is
Narmer or was Narmer?
King. It was King Narmer. King Narmer was, many scholars believe King Narmer was the first ruler to unite the two lands of Lower and Lower Egypt. Look at this stuff, man. Look at.
I know. Nice. Those monkeys.
That's a bamboo.
Bamboo.
Yeah, bamboo.
Oh my god, that is a Bastet. Head of Bastet. Bastet is a sacred goddess, is the goddess of hope.
Here you go. Hey, the monk. Amen Ra.
Omen Ra. Horus. Mothership, I believe.
That is a giant horse. Look at two of them.
Yeah.
Look at, dude. Look.
I'm just so tired.
You see this one?
Yeah. There's actually a lot in Sekhmet. Statue of the lion-headed Sekhmet. Sekhmet was a goddess of war as well as healing. A myth recounts how she almost destroyed all humans before quenching her bloodthirst with drinking medicine. No, Dash did that to Sekhmet.
The Apis.
And then look at Tiny Anubis.
And the Apis bowl.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know what these are?
Yeah, those are the things that hold the containers that hold the hearts.
Well, the heart, the
organs.
the organs.
Everything.
Yeah.
Put them here. I'll say that.
What are these? Sorry, dude.
Or unwrapping.
papyrus, what they used to write on. All of these tell a story of something that happened.
Yeah, so that's what me and the Buddhist tell it. I can read it later. The boy king.
King Tut ascended to the throne at the age of 9.
Yeah.
Can you imagine that? Analyzing his remains, the artifacts found in research. Look at some of these, dude.
Sandals!
Yeah, golden sandals at that.
Yeah. Those look nice and comfy.
Oh yeah. They weren't known. Look at this, dude.
1 second.
The main thing here, King Tut is on a
Leopard.
and look at some of these boats.
I know. I mean, look at the picture in detail. Game of logs.
This was 1336 to 1320.
Look at that cool weapon and stuff. Who likes fans? They're like fans. They want to count on this.
Tristan, we know this, look at the crook in the flare. Like a shepherd staff almost. Okay, I'm watching. Horus, the elk.
What's going on here? One second.
Look at it, Tristan. This was found on the mummy under the golden mask that he wore.
Really?
Yeah, this is right here.
Wow, look at that.
And then look at the horses.
Those are big. Look at this. That's kind of really good. Look at this thing. This thing here. The golden thing.
Stacks into, like, under it.
That is awesome. Look at the picture of
It's
it.
an apis bowl.
I don't want to go near it. No offense, but I'm afraid of it.
Solid gold. The third one. Okay, the third thing that covered his body was solid gold.
Really?
That one. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is how many different layers. The mummy would be under that one.
Wow.
See, they had to dig it out each and every one of them.
Hold on a second. Let me.
It's ours.
Yeah, let me get a picture.
Were you guys interested in buying your photos today?
Well, I gotta get food first. Mom wants chicken.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do that. I'm just getting one chicken. Come on.
Where is it? Oh, Dad, did you see that video?